Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had seen basic concept of computer network. Okay, let me recall the concept of computer network, then we'll go further. So computer network is a system in which two or more computers are connected using cable or wireless technology. Okay, so it allows us to communicate with other by sharing data or sharing information. Okay, today we'll discuss types of network. Basically we have two types of network. First, local area network. Second, wide area network. First we'll discuss local area network. It is a digital communication system which interconnects a large number of computers and other devices. It is designed to operate over a small physical area such as an office, school lab, etc. So, local area network allows us to connect two or more computers using cable or wireless technology in a small area such as office, school lab, home, etc. Okay. In a LAN, one computer can become a server serving all the remaining computers called clients. As you can see on the screen, this is server machine and all these machines are client machine. Okay. This client machine can access the data whatever kept in server machine. Why? Because they are connected with each other. Okay, they can share the data with each other. Understand? The best example of local area network we can see in our school, that is smart class system. Okay, one server is kept in staff room and we can access the content of server machine in smart class. Okay. Now, wide area network. It is a digital communication system which interconnects a large number of computers in a wide area. So it also a system which interconnects a large number of computers but in a wide area. Wide area can be different states, different countries, etc. Okay, and the connection can be done using telephone line and satellite link. Then only we will be able to share the information with other countries or with other states. The best example we can see internet. Nowadays everyone is using internet connection. With the help of that, user can share the information with other country or other state. Understood? So children, today we have seen types of network. So we have two types of network. First, local area network and second, wide area network. Local area network interconnect the large number of computers but in small area. Okay, whereas wide area network interconnect large number of computers but in wide area. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.